Yo, Kumasi Asante Kotoko fans, midin King Kobe said the munim no. Aha, the Fablo zone. The best stress so you new and I will share video. We are not pressing the subscribe button. Said that we release the video, you get it straight away. Yemfa Konya was named Boma Basu Park, Kumasi Asante Kotoko fans, my share the Fablo zone, my share new yam, and there and I timi market 1,000 subscriber ewo video we so see no Kumasi Asante Kotoko the Fablo zone, my boy am I reach the 1,000 subscribers. 1,000 subscribe channel a big achievement YouTube and not just say your boy who modern YouTube said no money ho na ye beko so ayi sa pepepe e de amamonti yedamase pane vima ne support amudi aman wa bra ye share dwumadi ase yo ye move on ye kwa ne story so Kumasi Asante Kotoko ochina nyame ya adoma ewo Accra Sports Stadium ye ne Al Hilal Omdurman of Sudan. Al Hilal and Kofu you a very stubborn side. You share more pen 2019 or so. You share more Confederations Cup, no more your group name now. It wasn't easy. They are very tactical side and well disciplined. Your cohort momo share 1-0 omo baha babayara omo bo first goal cry na Ketisi Sony Yakuba. You to me say I can man here 1-1. Enye easy o ma ba be drew Ghana na mo ba no ma sha say confusion ke kan semba sa ba ko bi but we have to remain focused now you stay tactical and anya sa anko for metimi atian so Coach Johnson Smith say adwuma no wo na esi wo na so e be boa say drew her every player be how you deem say or fit to play no na why then only na si akan na man anya sa dia chale anko for metimi be disturbing e wo Ghana ha say I know say me club Kumasi Asante Kotoko they will not disappoint. Yenya kwa no to get strong scoreline. I bet me aboa me progress no. We need at least 3 unanswered goals e wo Ghana. 1 2 3. Omo nhye bi. Yenya no de bet me aka say bet me akọ. Ye kokra na ye ala no mo share 2-0 kra na ye fa ho dwane. Anya sa de ho no ehu nti e say ye boa ye ho na coach Johnson Smith or boa team na your team stay disciplined our field no so yamayam could dia group bia say no adi before no ode no adi bu ahonde compare Al Hilal we no mo ahonde woni nim Al Hilal ahonde woni nim say no adi before no adi before say go no mbedi ye enti mo mayam boa na ochena game ne de ye for all the support and touch the entire team nechi management are really say ochena GTV Sports Plus ebe show game no and I want so unya kwanhwe GTV Sports Plus no seek.com process ni na da ho seek.com and process ni na da ho on make sure how we obetimi na register so they want to betimi share game no live e will seek for just 15 cedis so they here no for no adibu de no yo ye for jumede ni sia but and then we want to encourage the boys say tomorrow go out there and make Asantuma and Ghana proud. Go and make the country proud. Because the whole Ghana is behind Kumasi Asante Kotoko right now. Matching the easy, but we know say with good preparation and a bit of luck, no. Kumasi Asante Kotoko the bit me winning. Ye winning crowd it must be 3-0. And yes I be 3-0. And yes I be Yo information say na ye share score line the base be anso no I wa ha say ma so ate. O prediction you say drop your prediction. Ni hu de also kafa game no ho Asante Kotoko versus Al Hilal of Sudan. Stay tuned. The scoreline there be ko bia ebe bremo ase the Fablo zone for Porcupines by Porcupines.